In the recent series of events, one of the major events which has happened in November was a volcano eruption. Now, this volcanic eruption was not a normal one, as it has erupted after 12,000 years. That means it was a dormant volcano. Now, with respect to UPSC again, this topic is important since it will be covering the part of the area which has been vulnerable in terms of volcanic eruption and also the different countries and the plates which are attached to it. Now, this part directly comes to the geography, and we'll be discussing about the volcanic eruption in this area. So, let's decode what was the event and how it happened. So, we're talking about the Huyli Gubbi volcano, which is erupted in November 2025 in Ethiopia. If I pinpoint the particular region in Ethiopia where it has happened was Danakil region, or you also call it as Afar depression. Now, this area is tectonically quite active. Active in sense that is this region is consisted of two plates, one African, another Arabian plate. In this area, there are two plates which are diverging from each other. Just think like that. If you're having an African region and it is separating from an Arabian plate, then what will happen? It is diverging from each other. Diverging simply means it's going away from each other. And when two plates, for example, Ethiopia, which is lying on the African plate, it's going away from the Arabian plate, it creates a region for the magma to rises up easily. And hence, it makes it the most vulnerable place for the eruption. Now, the next reason for its eruption was that it comes under the very highly active volcano, which is Arta Ale, which is just 12 kilometers away from it. And because of that, also, there could be a possibility that this volcanic region has given some kind of stimuli for the dormant volcano to get erupted. Now, talking about the specificity of the Huyli Gubbi, it's a shield volcano. Shield volcano simply means that they are gentle and the eruption is going to be very, very less. Okay, so let's look into the map in order to understand it in detail how Huyli Gubbi eruptions have happened and why this is the most active area in terms of eruptions. If you see, this is a Huyli Gubbi where the volcanic eruption has happened. It's a shield volcano, dormant, and the eruption has occurred after 12,000 years. It's quite close to the Arta Ali, which is here in Ethiopia. This is a region of Ethiopia in Africa. And if you can see, there are two plates which are there, Arabian plate and African plate. Between African and Arabian plate, there is a divergence. Can you see this divergence? And here you are having a Red Sea. The divergence is there and it's forming the kind of the space for the magma to come out and erupt. Now, this is also creating a kind of a rift valley here, which you call it as African Rift Valley. This is an East African Rift Valley, and the plates here are constantly diverging and making it most tectonically active area. And hence, you can understand how the divergence has happened in the area. Thank you so much.